I think this is it, Tash. Welcome, amigos!
So we've just gotten to Cactus Country.
If you can't tell on my sombrero.
Which is like a cafe, restaurant, plant sales place. And there's also like some quite vast gardens that you can buy entry into and just walk around all afternoon. They're open late around the Christmas period.
And they also do burgers in the evenings.
I think we'll be having... we already had lunch plans. Ooh, what are we going to do?
I don't know, she twisted my arm pretty hard when she said burgers.
After about 2 hours out walking around doing the various trails, we came into the cafe to have some lunch and a bit of a break. We got some cocktails, we got the nachos, the tacos and the corn ribs, and honestly this is the best meal that we've had since the Japanese in our very first video. The vibes are absolutely on point. You feel like you've been transported to Mexico, and how could we not take the opportunity to get some Instagram pictures? So we just finished up at the Cactus Country and that was so good.
It was such a vibe. Highly recommend it to anyone.
All of these different walks and stuff, loads of different variety of like cacti, and you can like read about like if you look up on your phone, or there's like a little map thing like about the different varieties and everything.
There's also a tour by a YouTube tour by the people who own the property and have put it all together, so you get all the inside information as you walk around.
And they've brought in all of these different cacti like from different parts of the world, and there's lots of like non-plant things to look at. Like they've really done the place up, and like the cafe is really good. The food is so good.
Oh my god, yeah. It was the best nachos I've ever had in my life, and that's saying something.
So just like Mexican food, lunch is until 3, and they do bring a burger truck in at night by the sound, on Saturdays.
Just on Saturdays, yeah.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, definitely a place to go. Everyone would enjoy it. If you're looking for something completely different, like you literally step into it and you're in a completely different planet.
Yeah, like there was kids and like old ladies in walkers, like it was for everyone.
Yeah, I think you'd be struggling to find someone who didn't get a vibe from it, so. It's a big KFC bucket. Alright, let's go back home, hitch up the caravan, head back to Brizzy's. Nothing else worth seeing in Australia. That was the pinnacle!
So we just come back through Tokemall from Shepparton for Ben's favourite attraction.
I caught it. I finally caught one.
We're on to our next adventure today. We're just outside of Echuca. We didn't really stop in the town yet. That might be a tomorrow adventure. We've sort of just come straight to camp. But so far so good. We've got a pretty secluded spot. The only neighbours we can see are sort of on the other side of the river. There's like some skiers and some kneeboarders and whatnot coming past.
Things to do on the Murray River.
Not if you're us.
Yeah. But if anyone would like to give us like a ski boat, we'd love one. We can be those people.
What we didn't mention is that this is our shakedown trip with our car setup. Ben designed and built it so that we wouldn't need to pack a swag, but we also don't have to miss out on areas like this where we don't really want to take the caravan. What's on the menu tonight?
Chicken! How about that? Chicken and veggies on the campfire.
Alright, first night of camping in the 200 done.
Yeah, it went really well.
It was really comfortable actually, like mattress wise and just space and...
Yeah, a few little things we have to change, like I want to be able to get some ventilation there. It got a little bit hot at night and then obviously got hot with Bundy inside, so Bundy's going and moving the whole car.
We had the sunroof open, but then the mozzies got in and I don't know what I've been bitten by, but I've got a swollen finger. And that woke me up at 3:30, and what do you do at 3:30?
But just a few little things. In terms of the kitchen setup, great. Yeah, so I was happy with it.
Yeah.
And nice and quick setup as well, and pack up. That's the main thing.
That's it. Yeah. And just, yeah, really beautiful sight to wake up to.
You can't beat views like that to wake up to. I want a little skip. In the back, please. Come on, in the back.
It's two kinds of people with morning breakfast.
I got Macca's and Tash got me a cookie.
And I just got a sub.
Enormous instantaneous.
So I decided just to come into Denny for a little bit of a look on our way through, go for a bit of a walk around probably, and then head on back through Finley back to Albury. I don't know what I've been bitten by, but like my whole hand is starting to come up in the rash now. that's a wrap for this video.
Next week we're going to be heading out to high country. If you're liking our content, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks guys.